Hello guys, this is another video for HTML5 tutorial, and in this video we will talk about HTML images. In HTML, images are defined with the image tag, and the image tag is empty. It contains attributes only, and this one does not have the closing tag. So if this is our HTML5 folder. Open our basic.html, edit with the notepad++. If you want to insert an image on your page, let's save as image.html. Save. Then if you want to add any image on your web page, so you have to copy an image. Let's say you have to put this image, copy this and just paste in our HTML5 folder. Paste it, and the name is koala.jpg. Image, you can put the G file, you can put the PNG file, you can put the JPG. It's okay, there is no problem. So if we want to just image, and here is the attribute source equals double quotation. In a source attribute, you have to specify the URL of the image. So in the same directory, so you just write koala.jpg and just self closing tag. Save it, run in Chrome. So you can see the image is here, but it's quite big image, so you can see like this. Here is another attribute, is called alt. Alt attribute, this ALT, this attribute actually is called alternative text. So alternative text for this image. So if the user for some reason cannot view it, maybe slow connection, or maybe the user is those who are blind, visually impaired, or learning disabled, so screen reader software will use this text, this koala image. This image, if this image, let's say koala, the spelling is mistake. So if you check in the browser and you reload this one, you see the alternative text is showing here, this koala image. So when the browser cannot find the image, that time it shows this alternative text. If I koala and save it, reload our browser, you can see the image is here. So image is too big, so sometimes we need to resize it or something like this. So you can use the inline CSS for this image, or you can use this white attribute, and it's in a pixel, so 100 pixel is height is 100 pixel. So image, and the attribute is source. This is specify the image URL. The alt, this one is alternative text for screen reader. Wide is 100 pixel, height is 100 pixel. Save this file and reload your browser and check it. Size is too small, we make it 300 pixel, and this one also 300 pixel. Save the file, reload your browser, you can see the picture size. If your image you want to put in a folder, so create a folder here called images. In the images folder, you just copy this one and paste here. So if you want to show this picture that is in your HTML5, then images, so you have to change the URL for this image. So you just images /koala.jpg. So you can check here, the image still is here, If we delete this image from our HTML5 directory, no problem, because the images is here, and in our code the URL also in a images folder, then koala.jpg. So guys, this is the image tag for HTML5 for showing images in the browser. Image, this one self closing tag. The source attribute is for your image URL, and the alternative attribute for your image information. This alternative text, the alt attribute, defines the HTML5 validation. So you have to put this one also, and you can put white and hide. White and hide you also can put like this in our style here. So white 500 pixel, height also 500 pixel. And you have to remember that if you use this inline CSS, then white, we put here white equals and double quotation then the value, but inline CSS you have to mention like this, white and the clone, then the value. Save this one, reload this one, you can see the big picture 500 pixel by 500 pixel. Okay guys, I hope it will help you to learn how to insert an image in your web browser. If it helps you, and if you want to help me, just subscribe my channel and like this video. If you want to know more, then just comments below. The full documentation will be in www.ALiF.com. So feel free to check through there and have fun and keep learning. Thank you and bye bye.